जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 107th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Satyaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, those who realizes you very well are known as Brahmavettas. I realize that you will take care of those Brahmavettas very well, and you will make sure that they do not get into any dangers and any accusations. As and how eyelid takes care of eye, you will take care of those Brahmavettas to that highest extent. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Satyaya Namaha. Om Satyaya Namaha. With complete realization that Srimannarayana is our eternal Father, living within our own heart, with that kind of realization and visualization and complete surrenderance to Srimannarayana, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.